Okay, so this lesson is going to be on dividing integers. Dividing integers is just as simple as multiplying. Matter of fact, it's so simple that the rules are the same. So multiplying and dividing have the same rules. The only difference in the two is your operation. Am I multiplying these two integers or am I dividing the two integers? That's it. Okay? That's why we save the best for last. Okay, so dividing integers. If they have opposite signs, think about what we talked about in multiplying. If they have opposite signs, then my answer is going to be a what? A negative. And if they have the same sign, my answer is going to be a? That's as easy. Easy. Peasy. Beautiful. Lemon squeezy. All right. So our rules for dividing integers are when dividing integers, if the dividend and divisor are opposite signs, the quotient is going to be negative. Opposite signs, negative answer. Same sign, the quotient will be positive. All right, so look over here. There's this nice little review place right here. I love that review. I'll highlight it because that's pretty important. So we used some words about dividend and divisor. Those were some key words that we used. And quotient. So as a reminder, when we do this division, you've got your dividend. You've got your divisor. The divisor is the number that you're going to be dividing by. And then this is the what. So what you're dividing by, and then your answer. There might possibly be a question on your next test or quiz about what a dividend, divisor, and quotient is. Hint, hint. All right, so make sure you have that into your notes. And so a lot of times my students forget, I don't really know what this little bar thing is called, right? Like the division. But what number goes where. So this is where our dividend goes. Our divisor goes on the outside. We don't talk about cowboy and horse. If you need to think that, you can, but we're not going to talk about that. And then your quotient comes on top. All right, so let's look at some examples. We have opposite signs. So I'm going to look at what I'm doing. What am I doing to these two integers? I'm dividing, right? So then I'm going to follow my rules. Are my integer is the same or different? Different. So my answer is going to be A. And what is 9 divided by 3?
3.
Perfect. So my answer is a negative 3. I have 25 divided by negative 5. Are my integers the same or opposites? Opposite. So my answer is going to be A. And what is 25 divided by 5?
5.
Perfect. Like super easy, right? All right. And then, of course, if they are the same signs, my quotient is going to be a what? Negative or positive? Positive. Again, you don't have to put the positive symbol. I do it so that my brain says, okay, I made sure I have the right symbol there. And again, what is 9 divided by 3? So it will be a positive 3. And then I have a 20 divided by 4. I'm dividing, so my sign's the same or different? Same, so my answer is going to be a positive. And what is 20 divided by 4? 5.
That's pretty simple.
I know. All right, remember if the dividend, if you don't remember, come back up. That is the one that's going to be on the inside, is a 0. The quotient will always be 0. So if I have $0 in my pocket and I say, hey, you know what? I'm going to divide that by 3 of my friends. How much is everybody going to get?
0.
0. What if I divide it by 300 people?
0.
They're still going to get 0 because we're starting with nothing, right? I'm not going to magically go, okay, I'm going to share, and bam, now everybody has some. All right, we're not doing the color counters for this. So you can mark those off. And then I want you to flip it over and do the back. And we will come back and that will end our dividing integers.